Di ba ko getal kurkude school manu kasu. Bakit lang?
Yung ginawa mo di LP mas ang kan LP namang sa building kan sa de green dia babla so you people pa pa de
Okay. Ito kate mo. Jeko tama de. Chupke dong ama, chair dong ama, chair asung na. Government schools, government LP schools, government UP schools were given no fund. It is only when our government came. I was given, listen to me. I was given application. I mean, I was given a presentation, and they said it's going to cost 3,000 crores to repair all the government LP schools, government UP schools, government secondary, government high secondary, and government colleges. 3,000 crores. So I don't know what to do, where to start. But then I said, let's start somewhere. And that's when I started doing it. Very good.
This should be the grassroots music program.
Very good.
Sana kalimis perang bok.
Era. Iki cerita tu. See? Era. Wow! We are here in Jirang area in Nongspung A village, and this is part of my tour today of Jirang area along with our Honorable MLA, and we're visiting some of the areas and schools and villages just to meet the people and to understand different challenges that they're facing. Here in Nongspung A village, as you can see behind me, there is a LP school and an SSA UP school, and a lot of challenges are there because the building is in a very bad condition.